Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you a total two websites where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you guys are able to create on the second website a forum backlink as well and the threads backlink kind of things. Okay, so the first website name is zerohas.com and this is a website, a dashboard. And if I can show you this website authority, so according to Acharyev, the domain rating is 82, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 84, and the spam score is only 1%. And if we can check how much traffic this website having, so around 33.7 million this website having a traffic monthly, and the mostly traffic from USA, Canada, UK, Germany, Switzerland, and another country. So this is the statics of this website. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login button. There you can click on the create new account. Select the free plan. There you can put your email address. Then you guys will choose your password. And after, you can click on the create a new account. And you see our account is successfully created. Now first we can activate this account. So they will send the verification email. So I received. Then you can click on this URL and you see our account is verified. Now you can click on the return to home page, click on the profile, click on the edit button, and from there you can change your username. It asks you to, you can add your password. Then after you can click on the confirm. So our username is changed. Now you can upload your profile picture. Click on the upload button. You can adjust the image. Then after, click on the confirm crop, and there you can add your description. So I added my company description, what I can do, how you can get backlink from this website. So you can open my website DML training, and you can open the URL to HTML hyperlink. You can click on this. There you can put your website URL and your targeted keyword. So my targeted keyword is digital marketing training. Then after, you can click on the generate a link, and you can copy this link and you can paste it here. Okay, and you can paste here your link. Then after, you can click on the save button, and you see our backlink is created. Now you can click on the view button, and this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is an instant approved backlink or not. So you see, this is our brand name and this is the backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink with your targeted keyword. So this is a best thing, so you can create a contextual backlink for your website. Okay, so overall this is the process to how you can create your backlink in this website.
This video is sponsored by intentlyco. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
So the next website name is sucifed.com. So this is a website, and if we can check statics of this website, so according to Acharyev, the domain rating is 61, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 55, and the spam score is only 1%. And if we can check how much traffic this website having, so around 39.8k, this is monthly traffic of this website, and mostly traffic from USA, Vietnam, UK, India, Indonesia, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the create account button. There you can put your username. your email address, then you guys will choose your password. Then you can add your location, and there is an option you can add your social media channels URLs. So I can add my Twitter, then Instagram, and your YouTube. And here you can put your website URL. And once you guys will complete these things, then after you can verify the captcha. Then after you can check this terms and uses. Then after you can click on the create account button. Okay, so I've put it the wrong captcha. So you can see our account is verified. So this site will send you the activation email. So you can check your Gmail and you can check your spam folder. And I received this activation email in spam folder. So you can open this and you can click on this link to activate your account. And then after you can click you can fill your login details. Then after you can click on the check in. Our account is created. Now you can go to your username drop down, click on my profile, click on edit my profile. First we can upload a profile picture. Click on choose file, then you can upload your profile picture. Click on done button, and then we fill our detail already. And edit my about page, and here you can put your interest, that means your company profile or your person profile. Then after you can click on the save changes, and from there you can change your about. So if you're wanting, so you can also add something about, and there we can add some short description. And if you're wanting to hyperlink any keyword, so you can want to hyperlink digital marketing training, and let's see how it's visible. Then after you can click on the save changes. So overall we completed all things. There is a signature option, to if you're wanting, so you can add your signature as well, your company signature. And after, once you guys will complete these things, then you can go back to your profile. This is your profile landing page URL, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can see our logo, this is the logo, and this is a backlink. So if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So today we created a very high quality do follow profile backlink in this website. And also the another thing, you can also create your forum backlink in this website. So suppose from there you can search your relevant keyword in this website. Relevant keyword are the discussion about around your project. Then after you can search, you can open any of discussion. I'm just doing these things for your example how you can create your thread backlink. So make sure which whenever the which discussion you are opening, so opening discussion should be unlocked, then you are able to create your reply backlink in this website. So suppose if I can open this, let's see. Yeah, so you can see this thread is opened. So you can click on the reply to this topic, and there you can type your comment, and then after you can see there is an option to you can hyperlink your comment, your keyword or any specific things. Then after you can click on the add reply, so your comment should be live on this thread. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your profile backlink in this website, and how you can create your forum backlink in this website. So today we created a two high quality do follow profile backlink and forum backlink in this website, and all the websites URL I can provide in the description section, so where you guys will access easily. And if you guys found something helpful for you, so you can please hit subscribe and the like button, because your support will matter for me to I can create constant videos for you guys. So I hope definitely you guys will help me something for the clicking on the subscribe and the like button. So okay, bye bye and take care.